Hi, my name is Oliver Johnson, and I'm the co-founder CEO at CoreInfra. And on this call with me, I have BC. BC, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, BC is our COO. She leads products and operations here. Today, we want to just give you an idea of what we're building here at CoreInfra. We're building what we call core payment systems, CPS. For those who know banking and payments, there's a core banking application, CBA, very popular, but not so many people know that. Similar to the core banking application, there are core systems that support payment. Most people think payment is banking, but banking and payment are usually distinct domain. So our focus at Core Infra is to build a core payment system and infrastructure, especially for the African market that understands the local context and the nuances of the African market. Example of such systems include systems that support issuing, card management systems that support acquiring, system that does settlement. Yeah, basically, go to the product pages if you can. So systems that support the entire life cycle of payment. So at Core Infra, what we have done so far in less than 2 years of our existence is to build with the customer the pressing needs that the existing infrastructure does not support. We'll build a pay selection middleware. In fact, we were the first in this Nigerian market to enable remote card activation with our pay selection middleware. We have a transaction engagement system. We have systems that help stay compliance with reporting with the card scheme, MasterCard, Visa card, those proprietary systems and reports. We'll be able to support banks to do all of that. In this demo, we are going to be demoing our prepaid card management system. Why we have chosen the prepaid card management system is to give you an idea of the kind of enablement that we are giving to banks that they don't have today. The prepaid card management system is the first of its kind that allows banks to launch and run a prepaid card management system in the ways that the current infrastructure do not support in the market today. So we'll build a scalable architecture system that allows banks to also extend APIs to third parties and connect easily and leverage their existing investment in their existing payment system to run prepaid card management system. Just a quick primer on prepaid card management system. Today, for issuers that issue cards, they either are issuing a debit card or issuing a credit card or issuing a prepaid card. Prepaid cards are cards that the balances sit on the card and you don't necessarily need an account or a core banking system to support such cards. In fact, they are very good for things like expense management and for financial inclusion. And in Africa, financial inclusion is a big deal. And one way to support that financial inclusion drive is by positioning prepaid. Banks are already positioning prepaid as a tool to drive financial inclusion, especially in remote areas where banking hasn't gotten to. And so just to give you a glimpse of what we're building, BC will run through each of the demo. There is a core engine, which is the services that handles both authorization, the connectivity, has an integration, orchestration layer that connects to multiple systems all at the same time. And then it's also the system that is powering the interface that we have. So we have a bank interface portal for the bank staff. We have a merchant portal for the partners that are partnering with the bank. And then we have a customer portal as well as an accompanying customer mobile apps branded completely in the brand of the bank. And so this will run through for a real customer we have done for. This is not a hypothetical customer. This is one of the banks in Nigeria that we have customized the system for. So BC, over to you, please.
All right. Thanks, Oliver. This is what the bank user can see. Typically, a bank administrative user. The user is able to see analytics of cards, prepaid cards that have been issued, month on month, analysis and trends, and then they are also able to see a couple of other analytics on this page. We have also functionalities for the bank to set up card specific features that they want the cards to have. They're also able to set up card profile. Here they set up their partners being the merchants who are requested for prepaid cards for themselves or for their customers. Also, they're able to manage card requests, the cards itself, KYC information sent by the partners and by individual users who have requested for prepaid cards. They are also able to manage disputes, manage authorization for tasks that need to be approved before eventual execution, reports, and a whole lot are the things that banks themselves can see on the prepaid portal. I'll go quickly to the merchant portal. Merchants or partners, as we call them, have access to this interface where they are able to also view, dashboards, which gives them an analytics, of cards that they have issued, the requests per month, the funding that have been done. They're able to manage their ledger in currencies that are supported. They're able to view transactions done on the cards, inward, outward. They're able to load and unload cards. They're also able to issue requests for prepaid cards on this portal. And then they're also able to manage, view the status of their requests, based on as they have requested, they're able to view the status right here and also do some authorization as well for tasks that require authorization. I'll go quickly to the customer portal. This is where individual customers who have been issued prepaid cards or who intend to get prepaid cards are able to view information of their prepaid cards. First, they are able to sign up. Individuals who don't have prepaid cards but want to get prepaid cards can sign up here, select their nationality, and then provide certain KYC information if they are not nationalities of Nigeria. And then they are able, once that sign up is done, they're able to sign in here and they're able to view information on their cards that have been issued to them. So they're able to view their card, they're able to see the balance, they can issue or initiate disputes if there is any on the interface here. And then they're able to even view details of the card, the name of the account on the card, the bank, and a couple of other information. They're able to see in details transactions done on that card, as required. So these are all the things that are accessible to the bank, to the partners or merchants, and then also to the end user, which is the customer. Thank you.
Thank you, BC. Just to a quick add that we also have, as part of the deliverables that each bank gets, this is served as an on-premise solution. So the banks deploy within their premises, right? This solution is deployed within the premise. We are not serving it right now as a SaaS solution, but we do have in our roadmap to be able to get the required licensing that allows us to host and connect to each bank and then make the most valuable. Right now, we are selling it as a licensed software that is deployed on premise within each bank that deploys this. One of the other components that I would like to mention here is that there are APIs. So the bank can extend secure APIs to partners who already have their own interface. So partners can, instead of coming to this portal that BC has demoed, they can build some of this functionality into their existing system. And we've seen corporates try to build this into their finance software, right? They are building so you can make the request and loading of this card and manage the card into their own application. All of this is supported by the API, REST APIs that accompanies this solution. Right. So this is just an idea of what we are doing in the Nigerian market. We're currently in the Nigerian market. And in our roadmap, we still have a whole lot more to do. In fact, on the prepaid system, we're still talking to customers, we're still talking to the bank to ensure that it's full-fledged and complete and meets all the needs. So you can find out more of what we're doing at CoreInfraHQ.com and be a part of our journey. Thank you very much, BC, for joining this call. And thank you, everyone, for watching this demo. We look forward to partnering with you to making payments seamless in Africa. Thank you.